friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today I'm going to show you how to attach some vinyl onto a cup. I did these for my family reunion and they turned out great and everybody loved them. I will also show you how I use the stuffing to put inside them as well. It's very simple to use. You make sure you have vinyl. You can choose the color of vinyl that you want to use. You also need some transfer tape to transfer the vinyl onto the cups. And of course you need a scraper, and you'll need a weeding tool to weed out the vinyl. And then also you need a sticky mat to allow the vinyl to stick to. So I went ahead and I already printed this on my Cricut out how I need it to. Bear with me, I do apologize that it is white. So I do zoom in a little bit throughout so it'll be easier for you to see. And then I'm taking my vinyl and placing it on the sticky mat so it can stick so I can go ahead and start weeding. I'm taking my weeding tool and I'm pulling back the pieces of the vinyl that will not be used for the vinyl lettering of the look of the cups. And as you can see here, there are places that need to be weeded out, like inside the E and the P and things like that. So you just take your weeding tool and pretty much you just pull up with the tip of it. You pull up what you don't need. It may take a little bit of practice. It may not come up the first time you do it, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes a little bit easier. But you can see how now my R's opened up, how the P that I'm doing now opens up once you weed out those extra pieces. Okay, once you have those pieces weeded out, what we're going to do is take some transfer tape and then the scraper. The transfer tape is what attaches to the image or the letters that you're using, and then it actually allows you to pick it up so you can transfer it onto the item that you have. So you cut a good size transfer tape that fits the image or the lettering and you just push it down and place it on top of there. And then you take your scraper, and once you scrape it, you're helping it to attach to the transfer tape. And you'll see just a second what I mean. Okay, after a couple minutes, you can slowly lift it up, and if you peel it up and you see that it does not stick or some letters are not sticking, just put it back down and do some more scraping with the scraper. But now you can see it is off the vinyl original paper and onto the transfer tape. Once that's done, you take your cup and then you center it however you want it to, and you place it down. Now you are able sometimes to move the transfer tape once you put it down. Be careful, because sometimes after you lay it down and you go to pull it up, the letters already start to kind of bond to the cup and it might be hard to move them. Once you get the image onto your cup, you go ahead and use the scraper, and this is just transferring it off of the transfer tape onto your cup. And it's the same type of thing. You go to pull it and to peel it off. If you see that it's not peeling off easily, you push the transfer tape back on and you do more scraping. In this case, it looks like I did scrape it enough. As you see, it's sticking very well to the cup. It's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. Like I said, it's kind of a thing you have to practice, and after you practice so much, it becomes easier. Now, an extra tip I want to add is you can reuse the transfer tape more than one time. Sometimes I use it up to 3 or 4 times. Just put it back on the paper and save it for later. Here I have some stuffing. I think I got this from the Dollar Tree. I had just mixed white and purple. That was the colors for our family reunion theme. And you just simply open the cup. And then as you're going to see, I'm just going to go ahead and stuff it inside and make it fairly even. And the amount that you stuff the cup, it doesn't matter. If you don't want to overly stuff, you just put lighter paper. If you want to fill it all the way and make it kind of like, if you want to fill it in all the way and make it defined, then you put more paper in. And then you see I'm just collecting all the little pieces that I have, and you simply just screw the top back on once you finish stuffing your cup. And there you have it. And here's the cup with the vinyl on, and it's very easy And I'm just showing you the way that it looks without the stuffing and with the stuffing. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to be notified for other videos that are coming, and have a royal day.